Another WDSU first warning weather impact day tonight and through tomorrow morning because of dense fog. And we're already seeing fog developing. You don't see it right here in the skyline, but you take a turn and look south and east, you start to see the skies getting a bit more murky in that direction, at least from New Orleans. If you're in the North Shore, I don't have to tell you, all you got to do is peek outside and you can already find that fog. Now until tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. is when that fog advisory is in effect. And there's the North Shore. Reduced visibility, half mile less, Slidell, Bogalusa, down to 0 in Hammond. That's a trouble spot, especially 55 travel. That's why maybe you're going to take it low and slow if you have to be out, or maybe stay in until we get rid of it overnight hours. South Shore reduced visibility, lakefront to Belt Chase. You know where the problem spots can always be some of the worst. The Atchafalaya Basin in Houma, you're only at 5-mile visibility right now. And the reason we've got this fog forming, all that rain that fell yesterday. Over 5 inches in the CBD Warehouse District. West Bank really took it on the chin with many locations over 4 inches, officially about 2 here in New Orleans. Real-time temperatures upper 50s, 60s, but we look at those dew points that best measure the humidity in the air. And when you meet the air temperature with the dew point, well, that's going to form a cloud every single time. It's going to take that invisible water and put it into liquid water drops, and in this case, the clouds. All due to this system passed through the front, brought the heavy storms yesterday. Those are going away, and in the bigger picture over the next 2 days, it's really the fog situation tomorrow morning, and then a warm afternoon. Maybe a little bit more fog coming into Thursday, but another really fine day into Thursday. All signs will then point to Friday. That's the next round of storms that could be strong, potentially severe, and another round of locally heavy rain. So back to the fog forecast tonight. This forecast has been almost spot on with reduced visibility region-wide. Low temps about 59 Slidell, 62 here in New Orleans, Galliano to 64 in Grand Isle. But once we get rid of the morning fog and clouds, plenty of sun. That's going to help highs get to 79 here in New Orleans, 80 to Hammond, 79 also Slidell and Belt Chase tomorrow. Right along the lake, maybe 77. Little fog potential Thursday. Signal's not as strong. Low temperatures around 55 Bogalusa Thursday morning, 57 Belt Chase, 61 here in New Orleans. But I think we have a decent amount of sun once again. A few more clouds coming in, and that might hold temps down a bit. So we'll go with a high of about 78 here in New Orleans into Thursday. But let's discuss Friday. Friday morning, we see a little bit more cloud cover, but the chance of some isolated showers coming up by about Friday afternoon. Watch what happens through the afternoon. The chance some stronger storms start to arrive, and from afternoon, evening hours right now, that could be the time when we find these strong, potentially severe storms located right along that front. What are we looking at? The Storm Prediction Center, who issues all of our severe weather outlooks days in advance, and then all of our watches as well, the tornado watches, severe thunderstorm watches, have outlined our region under a chance for severe weather that day. And when that's more than 3 days away, we need to take it seriously. And also, locally heavy rain threat is already up for us as well, similar to what we had yesterday, right? As that was all of southeast Louisiana. Temperatures will be warm, nearing 80 degrees, high humidity, the right winds coming together. That's all the combinations for potentially strong, severe storms, which this time tops the list over the locally heavy rain for me. And it's already going to be a weather impact day for Friday. That's a long ways to go. Get through the fog tomorrow morning. Get past the warmer afternoons, and then we'll keep you in touch with Friday. Also, we'll set those clocks ahead 1 hour on Saturday night. Unfortunately, we'll lose that hour this time.